everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got a very small little project to do. It's a little welding project, but that's not really what this video is about. This video is about my new Evolution Mag drill with the annular cutters that they sent me. I've got a piece of plate. I'm wanting to fix that boom pole. For those of you guys that remember me putting that thing together, that are, subscribers to the channel, I'm making a little modification to it. I did not like the way that I put angle iron. It was just 3/16" angle iron on the bottom of that boom pole to support all the weight. When I was carrying around my 500-pound box blade with it, I was noticing they were bending in pretty good, and I wanted to bring that center of gravity back into the main part of the boom pole a little bit and just weld on thicker steel. Behind me, I'm not sure exactly what size this is. I've already got it marked out. My two little pieces of steel that I'm gonna be drilling holes into with this thing. So I guess it's 3/8" plate. So I've got some 3/8" plate here. And basically I'm just drilling the holes for the bolts to run through for the little attachment points that I bolt into the boom pole itself here. So I think this is probably about a 3/4" bolt, if not maybe a little bit bigger. So pretty big hole. I'm gonna have to get it measured out. All right, so this is a first for me. I've never used a mag drill before. I have pretty much no experience with them whatsoever. Also, this isn't necessarily a review on this thing. This is just basically an overview is what I call it. When I kind of first use tools, demonstrate them, get a little experience with them on camera. Kind of an overview, just talk about them. The reviews come later. The reviews come with a lot more time and use on a tool. So basically what we have here in this case is the mag drill, the cutting fluid holder. I'm not sure what this is. I haven't even opened this up. Looks like the chuck, several parts and tools, maybe a carrying strap there. Maybe that's what it is, I'm not sure. Little hardware pieces in here. And then we have the 3 handles that thread into the to the mag drill here, just like a drill press. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and assemble this all together and read through the manual a little bit, make sure I'm doing everything right, and then I'll bring you back and we'll get to doing some cutting. Okay, I think we're right on there. Magnets on. Just grabbing my eyes and ears real quick. I think that was the fastest, straightest, nicest hole I have ever cut. One of my least favorite parts of fabricating is all the holes that I have to drill. When I've used twist drills in the past, especially with a hand drill or my old, my standard old drill press over there, a little benchtop drill press, it just takes forever to cut anything. It's a miserable, frustrating process, and I think this is going to make a huge difference here in the shop, making fabrication jobs much quicker, much easier. I was really impressed with how fast it drilled. Like I said, I've never used annular cutters before, but everything worked as it should. I will say, with one exception, I'm not sure this is some kind of thing that I'm doing. There's a plug that's in here that's supposed to be popped out after you drill by the little pilot pin. This guy is the pilot pin. It gets pushed up, and it gets pushed up against a spring, and a spring is supposed to push the piece of steel back out, this little plug. And this one, for some reason, is just not popping that little plug back out. This little plug here is supposed to come out, as far as I know, nice and easy by this pilot pin, and I've had to go hammer out the first one, and I'm afraid I'm going to have to do it again. Anyway, as I was saying, I went to look inside the owner's manual for some explanation for why this is happening, why I'm doing this. I can't get an answer out of it. I'm not sure what it is. Not like it's too hard to take out. It just doesn't seem like, to keep drilling holes, I should have to keep popping this thing out. It seems like that spring in there should be strong enough to just pop this right out. But I don't know. That's the only issue I've experienced so far. I'm not sure, again, whose fault that is, or exactly what the issue is, or, good chance it's something I'm doing. But that being said, man, it cut 2 holes, and man, it cut them fast and smoothly and easily. Easiest drilling I've ever done with pretty good sized holes. Anyway, that's just a quick demonstration of the 1 1/8 inch industrial mag drill from Evolution. Pretty expensive piece of equipment here. Definitely something that will be huge in any fabrication shop, even a DIYer shop. Like I said, cutting those holes went so much faster. We'll do a whole lot more content on this thing. I just wanted to kind of get an overview, quick little video out on it first, and then as we get more time under our belt and I film more and have a lot more B-roll footage and just all around experience and knowledge on this thing that I'll gain over time, I think we'll be able to make a good review out of it in the future. And of course, in any fabrication video where I have to drill any decent sized hole, over a 1/2 inch that a twist drill couldn't just do, I'll definitely be pulling this guy out and using it. So thanks everyone for watching. If you do want to pick this thing up, there will be a link in the description below. It'll go to Evolution's website. I'll put one on there for Amazon as well. I know a lot of people buy this kind of stuff through Amazon, so there'll be an Amazon link and an Evolution link. I think you'll get a bigger discount if you use the Evolution links. I'm not 100% sure, but anyway guys, thanks everyone for watching. Again, if you haven't given this video a big thumbs up, hit the thumbs up button. We'll see you in the next one.